What's happening, guys, and welcome down to another brand new video right here on Theme Park Insanity. And today we've very kindly been invited down to Blackpool Pleasure Beach to come and experience Aviktas, their brand new ride for 2026 at twilight hour. Now this is going to be as the sun goes down. We've got on-ride filming permission and we can't wait to get more rides as the sun sets. This is going to be the first time seeing it effectively in the darker hours for us too. So without further ado, come join us as we experience Aviktas, the park's brand new 2026 ride, as the sun sets here in sunny Blackpool. Let's go. Well, in case you've been living under a rock, here is a bit of a refresh about what you can expect from the brand new ride. It reaches heights of up to 138 feet, making it the tallest of its kind here in the UK. So, can't wait to get back on it. We've had lots of rides since it opened. We were here for the press day, and we also did a day where we rode it all day, totaling 26 rides. But yeah, very excited. So, let's get into this. So the sun is starting to set here in Blackpool, and Aviktas is really starting to come into its own. Now as it does get darker, there is a really cool lighting package they've got on it, because not only is the area around the ride lit, which you can now see lighting up, but they've also got a light underneath as well which shines up, and the entire platform there is also lit up. So they've really thought about how they're presenting this ride. Hearing the screams in the background. And it's going to look even better as it does get darker. Yeah, really excited for this. Is anyone there? It's Amanda. She says we can't come in. Looks like Mandy's changed her mind. We can now go in. Fantastic. Here we go. Let's go for a ride on Aviktas. And here we go. This is going to be fantastic. Look at the lighting as well. That's all the way around.
You're right.
That looks epic.
Yeah.
Awesome. Right. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Fia?
Hell yeah.
Let's do this. And of course, there'll be a forward-facing one as well. So yeah, here we go. Look at that sun going down. Beautiful. Woo! Oh yeah. Lovely cool breeze. Stunning.
Come on!
Woo!
Save the picture!
Oh yeah. Oh, nice bit of G. Hey! Oh, awesome. I'll tell you so, it's good in the day, it's even better at night. Whoa! So much airtime. It's time to slow down now. And there you go, guys.
This is a safety decree from the
Oh, well, of course, since we have the ride to ourselves for 1 hour, we can't do just one ride. So, time for round 2. Beautiful, look at this. It really is golden hour today. Right, well, so with this one then, I'm going to use my chest harness so you can kind of get a better perspective of it. And I also won't talk over it either. So, time for round 2. There we have it. It's like I'm doing a challenge again. We've done 2, might as well do a 3rd. Here we go again, round 3, let's do this. Oh yeah. Here we go. Woo! Oh, now we're talking. Woo! Hey! Epic. Absolutely epic. How high? That high. Woo! One more for good luck. Why not? It's really starting to get dark now as well. You can see all the lights coming on. Things are starting to look absolutely fantastic. They've really thought about how they've lit this area as well. It looks stunning. 6 rides on the Aviktas, so yeah, 1 for the road.
Please place your heavy.
Well, what an incredible way to spend a Saturday night, having a Aviktas to ourselves and just lapping it for an hour straight. Absolutely incredible. A massive thank you to Blackpool Pleasure Beach for inviting us down and giving us this incredible opportunity. Of course, I'll wrap it up shortly, but yeah, let's head out. I'll tell you something, this is a bit eerie, isn't it? Never been in it, been as empty as this before, but there we are. Right, as I said, head out, wrap this up. Well, there we have it. So, as I said before, massive thank you to Pleasure Beach for inviting us down today. Aviktas now open at Pleasure Beach, and it has been for around about, I think, a couple of months now. But through August, they, of course, have the Twilight Thrills event, which means that the park is going to be open until about 9 o'clock at night, and that means that you guys can come down and get your night rides. And I'll tell you something, you'll want to do that after seeing Aviktas tonight. That's just one ride here, of course. There's a whole park full, and I'm sure you already know that as well. But we've got a lot more coming up here on the channel. We are going to Great Yarmouth very soon. We're going to be going to all the parks down there. So if you don't want to miss out on that or any future content here on the channel, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to avoid missing out. Vlog bomb. And if you have enjoyed this video in particular, smash the like button to let me know. But from Blackpool Pleasure Beach, my name is Joe. This is Theme Park Insanity, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.